Konnichiwa from Tokyo. My name is Jessie, and this is Itadakimasu Japan, your ultimate spot for Tokyo's unique eats and hidden gems. Hi again, I'm Jessie, and today we're in Asakusa, Tokyo again. So we're here at Taro's Origami Studio, which is a studio that's been founded by Mr. Taro. And they offer both workshops for origami both in Japan and internationally. So when it comes to origami, you often think of Japanese culture. But did you know that origami also has potential in other areas like fashion, business, and even space exploration? So today we're not going to just experience an origami session, but we're also going to learn more about the possibilities of origami from a true origami master. Are you ready? Let's get started. Itadakimasu. So today we have the special opportunity to have Mr. Taro here with us today. He is the founder of Taro's Origami Studio. So thank you so much for being with us today. I'm probably going to ask you a lot of questions. So
thank you for having me.
In the world of Taro's Origami, the mission is to create an environment that fosters the freedom of expression through the art of origami. This studio space is designed as an origami museum, showcasing a variety of origami models. We'll learn more about the exhibited works from Mr. Yaguchi-sensei later on. So, Jessie, go ahead and give the origami experience your best shot.
So this is the tablet activity, and as you, in your notes and online, we have different selections to choose from.
Okay.
So I typically start everyone off, no matter their skill set, on this one, and this is going to be the most kind of basic category. And so going this way, it's going to go easiest to maybe hardest here.
Okay.
Yeah, each one of these is going to have a static direction, and then there's going to be a diagram. So it'll take you through
have an animated.
Yeah, so there's an animation.
Oh, that's nice.
And there's an animation for all of the categories on here.
Cool.
This would have been very helpful for me when I was a kid learning.
Yeah.
We had the static instructions, but didn't always have the animation.
Yes, definitely having a visual.
Yeah.
We have vehicles, we have Christmas and Halloween, so some themed. And typically there's enough on these tablets to take up the whole. We do these for 45 minutes. So it's 45 minutes and you can fold as much or as little as you like. And then we also have books here. So these kind of range.
Cool. So you don't have to stick with
Yeah, you don't have to stick with that. You typically, I'd say everything beyond this is done within 30 minutes to a few hours.
I see.
So sometimes guests will take a look, but these two books are kind of the standard ones there where you can make something about 5 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I won't try to attempt anything too difficult.
Okay. Yeah. We got about 50 colors here to choose from, and then we have markers and all kinds of arts and crafts things. We got eyes, googly eyes, which are a lot of fun, and some beauty stickers and all sorts of things. So yeah.
Awesome. They have a kawaii selection. Oh, they've got flowers. I wonder how difficult this one would be. Do you think this looks a little too hard? Or should I try it? You think I can do it? All right. I've got some courage. Let's do like a nice peachy pink and make a flower, like a rose. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. I have done origami before, so I have a little bit of experience, but if it gets difficult, I'm gonna ask David to help me. Okay, so we've got our first one. We open it back up. And then we're gonna fold it this way. Oh, I went up, but it's the same. Just making a crease. Okay, so we've got 4 squares now. Oh, it stops at the step for you. That's nice. So it doesn't move on without you. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna pull these in and then do the same on the other side. Okay. And then did it flip it over? Can I...
So you're gonna stay there,
Okay.
and then you're gonna go from each edge. You're gonna fold it
Oh,
from the
like
corner
this.
to the center.
Okay. Oh, it hadn't done it yet. I skipped ahead. My impatience is showing. Whenever I made origami in school, I always wanted to make really nice creases, so I would push it with my thumbnail, and I'd get this little mark on my nail every time.
Yeah, origami needs patience and practice.
Yeah, I think so. You see what I'm doing? Okay, it's getting tinier and tinier. Okay, and then next one. These little guys. Oh, they're so little. I cut my nails. It's kind of hard to grab the paper. Cute. Hey, a little flower. What do you think? It's good? It's like not bad.
This is called Echizei Momigami,
Oh.
and you may use that as well. That was a sample.
That's pretty.
To decorate the
Oh, that would be
model.
cute. Yeah.
maybe you can.
Like a little sky. That'd be cute. I think I'd like to use this. Well, let's try.
If it doesn't go your way, you got more paper.
That's true. It's a little similar to when you are folding a crane, except it's only on one side. Oh, okay. A little tricky, but something like that.
It's completed.
Oh, nice. So this goes underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. What's the date? There we go. Israel, thank you. Thank you so much for teaching, for having us today. This is really awesome.
This studio more to foreign visitors.
Come on, guys. Come. Please come. Let's go.
You have to make a cat face using non-dominant hand without using both hands.
Out of origami?
Yeah, and the ear
Oh my
to
god.
make a
I don't think I can
cat
fold
face.
anything with one hand.
That's one of the requirements
Wow.
to be a Takumi engineer in